Bodaboda sector are not thieves. They are not thugs. There could be one or two elements that have misused the Bodaboda, but those are our young people. And we've said that we're mapping out them to be organized. So that once you've registered all of them, we know from your reflector you're a Bodaboda from Kayole or from Dandora. This is the route you're operating. When you come into town, this is your drop-off zone, these are your stages. This huddling around where there are no stages, we will not allow it as a county government. We already started the process, not just Bodabodas, also Uber drivers and the digital little cab and whatnot. We started that process. We're going to announce the designated points, pick up and drop off points. If you're found hanging around elsewhere, a group of 3 of you that is not designated, the full force of the law you have to follow. Because for you to thrive, there must be order. Freedom is the ability to be free within a domain. You know, a fish can't say it is free and it goes to the beach, it will die. But if it's in the water, it can swim from Kisumu to India if it wants. So everybody must understand we're not clamping down on your rights, but freedom means order. And that order we must have in Nairobi. And that is what we're going to do.